Hi, my name's Dominic O'Brien and I'm the Managing Director of Experienced Energy Solutions, as well as Experienced Solar and EV Solutions, which I'm proudly wearing on my top right here. So just to give you a bit of a feel of both of our businesses, we have an energy consultancy, which is EES, and we manage circa 300 million of annual energy spend for business energy users across the UK. And also our solar business, ESEV, we install and maintain solar technology on top of commercial roofs. So having the two businesses side by side is very important because it helps businesses get in control of their energy consumption by generating their own energy. We also have a unique proposition whereby we buy excess energy generated directly from clients too. And we have also been recognised by the Talca Awards, which is a very prestigious energy awards for best customer solution for our proposition, which is really exciting for us. So if you'd like to understand how we can help your business, please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you and we'd talk you through how we can help you on a sustainability journey. Thank you.